Well, back pain. Let's get it fixed. I'm Dr. Brian McKay, Core Health of Darien, and I want to present a concept. It's called spinal decompression. That's how we fix seriously bad low backs. And I'm glad you can do something about your back pain. So we're going to take it to a new level today. We're going to give you 5 additional stretches that will start the healing process in your back. If you're not doing exercises, you're crazy. You will not get better on its own. So simply lay on the floor. It's called pelvic tilt. I know it makes sense, but you just need to see other people do it. Just watch. Feet are flat on the floor. Roll the pelvis forward and roll it back. And you want to push as far as you can. It's a very hard area to get a stretch into. So again, roll the pelvis back, roll the pelvis forward. You really engage the entire abs structure, the core. So it's a fantastic workout. So good, watch it again. But get the point here. This is a 5-minute video. In 5 minutes, you can do a pretty damn good job of stretching out your back, especially if you watch the first video. So here we go. We're stretching, we're rolling the pelvis forward, rolling it back, and you really want to keep the butt on the floor. Okay, that's the key thing, because then you're really rocking back and forth. Slowly. Slowly is the key word there. Alright, I want you to now sit on your heels and go into all 4. And you're going to alternate. Right leg up, left arm out. Hold it as long as you can. It's not that easy. It really is a core stabilizing exercise. It's a really good one. Again, left leg, right arm. Hold it as long as you can. It's going to be wobbly. So please, just go through it. And let's do it so you do it again. Raise the left side, right side up, left arm. Hold it. Bring it down. Raise the left leg and the right arm. It's pretty simple, but when you try doing this, you'll see how difficult it really is. The idea is just to hold as long as you possibly can. You're not going to keep moving back and forth. It's not as much of an exercise, more as a core stabilizing process. So let's move on further. Here you are laying face down. Who cannot do this? Anybody could really do this. What you're doing here is you're extending the back. And I know it looks really simple, but for the most part, those back extension, we call them the erector spinae muscles, the multifidi, these muscles don't get stretched this way very often. And so what you try to do is you're actually enhancing the curve in the low back. When you have a good curve in the low back, it makes it a lot easier for mobility of the spinal joints. Let's just watch it again. And here you hold it for a second or two, you release it, you come back down. Hold it a second or two, release it, come back down. Very simple, very effective. There will be an advanced one of these in part 3 of this series. This is a 3-part series with 5 exercises in each to lead you to a back pain-free life. Alright, variation. You're laying again prone on the floor, right arm up, left leg up, left arm, right leg, and you alternate. You want to hold it a little bit at the end. It's actually a lot harder than you think. I know it looks pretty easy, almost like you're swimming, but it's a lot more difficult than you may get a little credit for. But it's a very good exercise. Again, you're working on the upper and lower extremity, because if you have a bad right low back, chances are you have left shoulder issues, and left shoulder, right low back, they coordinate. So this is a stretch for both. So how bad is your back? Getting pain, getting better, worse, staying the same? Well, have you ever heard cold laser for back pain? We use it all the time. Spinal decompression. I showed you that machine earlier. You're going to see it now as it collides into the image right here. Spinal decompression is a great way for fixing bad backs, herniated discs, stenosis, bulging discs. Let's wrap this one up here now. Okay, this one very self-explanatory. You're going to bend all the way forward. All right, all the way forward. Nothing difficult here. You're going to hold it. Try to touch your toes to the ground, and come all the way up. All right, lean back a little bit. So we'll try to end this a nice, easy stretch. Let's repeat it. Let it just hang there. Hold it and hang. Nice, nice, very nice. When you're done, come on up. Get a little blood flow to the brain. A little stretch to that low back. These exercises will contribute to a much better quality of life. I'm Dr. Brian McKay of Core Health in Darien. Now, if you continue to have back problems, well, you may want to consider giving us a call. On the next page, you'll be able to click a link where you can schedule an appointment. Okay, if you click that red box there, you'll be able to schedule an appointment directly online.